Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're uncovering 5 things you didn't know about the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam, a device that aims to elevate your in-car security. When it comes to safeguarding your journeys, having the right tools can make all the difference. The VIOFO A229 Pro promises not just to record your rides, but to do it with exceptional clarity and advanced features. So, what makes it stand out? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the dual flagship Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, IMX678 for the front and IMX675 for the rear. The promised 4K and 2K resolutions provide incredibly smooth performance. However, while it captures crisp images, some users have mentioned that the quality can vary slightly in lower light conditions. But overall, it's an impressive feature that ensures you don't miss a detail. Another standout feature is the HDR technology combined with the STARVIS 2 sensors, enhancing your night footage. Imagine driving at night without worrying about poor visibility. The only caveat here is that the HDR might take a moment longer to process in fast-moving situations, but when it works brilliantly. Next up is the 24/7 parking protection. With 3 different modes, auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, your vehicle is shielded around the clock. However, for optimal use, you'd need the VIOFO HK4 hardwire kit, which adds to the cost if you're considering those features. Still, the peace of mind it provides is well worth it. Now let's move to hands-free operation. With 12 voice commands, you can manage the dash cam without any hassle. But a few users have noted that the voice recognition may struggle with background noise, which is something to keep in mind. Still, it's a fantastic attempt at making driving safer. And how could we forget the intelligent quad mode GPS? This feature tracks your location and speed accurately, integrating with multiple satellite systems. Just keep in mind that if you use it excessively, it could impact battery life. So, should you keep the VIOFO A229 Pro on your dash? Overall, it provides a robust package with its quality and features, although some may find it pricier than other options on the market. If you value high-quality recordings and excellent night vision, this could be the perfect fit for you. However, if you're looking for something simpler, there might be better alternatives at lower price points. As always, do your research.